Hey everybody, I hope everyone is doing well and had a good day. In this video, I will review the Emini 5-minute chart for Thursday, August 28th, 2025. This is yesterday's high that I'm drawing. Most bars break out bars, that's true on any chart, including the daily chart. So being aware of where the prior day's high and low are is a good idea. And going into the day, we had this gap up. There's enough, the gap is not huge. There's enough information here that you don't really have to go to the Globex chart. You can infer that there was a trading range overnight because the gap was small, but it doesn't hurt to check it out. I always check it out going into the day. And here's what we had. This was back here is yesterday's close. We had this huge outside bar, trading range bar, and a small sell-off, a couple of legs down, 2 or 3 legs down, followed by a strong reversal, which just grew, and that ended up getting sort of a wedge bull flag and a strong second leg up, followed by another pullback, testing maybe the breakout point over here, but this was also a minor reversal. This breakout was likely to get a second leg, and we started getting it here. However, there's an argument for both sides here. There's always an argument for both sides. Maybe the bears see a wedge bear flag, so we have a bear breakout, 3 pushes up, testing resistance, the breakout point. So bears are looking to sell here for another leg down. And the bulls see the strong rally, the higher low, and possibly trend resumption, and the bulls are looking for a test of the highs. So fairly neutral going into the day, but when we look at the RTH chart, which is the day session, regular trading hours, we can use this context as well. And here's what we had going into the day, fairly broad bull channel. One, pullback, 2, pullback, 3 pushes up. The third push is 2 legs, 1, pullback, 2. So big bull breakout bar on the open, but for the context for the bulls, not ideal. A broad channel, you trade it like a trading range that is sloped, and in a trading range, you look to buy low and sell high. So for bar 1, probably a better bar to look to sell rather than buy. So bad follow through for the bulls on bar 1 with bar 2. Testing the moving average, temporary support there, but a weak reversal back up. It's an inside bar. It's a bad high 1. The reality is that there are probably more sellers above bar 2, and on the close of bar 2 than buyers. We're still in the upper third of the range, so probably sellers in this area. At a minimum, we'll probably test the low of bar 1 and the bull trend line, and we got there on bar 4. Now, if this is a broad bull channel, you expect a channel to evolve into a trading range. The low of the range could be all the way down here. So bar 4, a strong bear breakout bar, plenty of room to the bottom of the range if the bottom of the range is here. So it might be sell the close bar 4. For me, I prefer to sell a pullback in a trading range when you're selling what might be in the middle of the range. But in this case, we got immediate follow through. The market quickly reached the 1-hour target on the very next bar. So a really strong bear breakout leg. The odds are we'll get a second leg down, and the first reversal up will be minor. And because we got follow through selling on bar 5, the close of bar 4 becomes resistance. And then we reached that low of bar 38 yesterday on bar 6. 6 is a weak stop order buy, probably sellers above. And at this point, we may have 3 pushes down to a double bottom low in a trading range. So we're finding the buy zone of the trading range. So maybe not ideal for selling lows, but probably sellers above 6. Low 1 short 7, but again, might be a third leg and a double bottom low in a trading range. So probably more buyers below bar 7. And then 8, reversal up, but testing that resistance, the bar 4 close, and the moving average. So the upside here is probably limited, but big enough bar, second leg up, likely. Reversal attempt, but testing the buy zone of bar 8. So probably buyers in this area for at least a small second leg. But the bulls continue to have trouble breaking out above this resistance area. But for the bears, the trend resumption is weak. Resumption attempt on 10, failed. Resumption attempt on 12, failed. Another resumption attempt, 14, but did not quite get below 13. And now the market's in breakout mode, tight trading range. So the bears, they're at the bottom of a trading range here. They want another leg down, but we may have to pull back first. And the bulls may need a better second leg than this. 15, a decent bull breakout bar. Very little overlap with the prior bar, closing near its high, above all the bars to the left. That's good for the bulls, but it's still a lower high after this sell-off. So probably will not get immediate follow-through. Probably better to buy a pullback because the environment is a trading range, but second leg up, likely. And then overlapping bars 16, 17. Not very good follow-through for the bulls, but also not great for the bears. The micro channel is growing. We're getting trending closes, trending opens, trending lows. It's a micro channel, like I said. So this will all probably get a second leg up. The first reversal attempt will probably be minor, so probably buyers below 17. 18, a small reversal bar. It's a micro double top. Maybe there's room for a scalp, but again, the expectation is a minor reversal here. This breakout is big enough and across enough bars that there's probably buyers below and a second leg up is likely. 3 bars down, but it's a channel on a smaller time frame, 18, 19, 20. It's 3 pushes and a higher low double bottom with 17 and testing support, the moving average. Again, we're expecting a second leg up, so not great for selling here. 21, a bull breakout bar. The problem the bulls have here is now it's 3 legs up. 1, 2, 3. And it's a trading range environment. So this is not ideal for buying. Maybe there's a scalp, but the upside here is probably limited because of the channel line and the resistance above. Big sell-off. We're approaching near the top of the range, yesterday's high, in leg 3. So a bad follow-through bar for the bulls. Again, it's leg 3. Not great for buying. Probably will get a correction after 3 pushes up. And it looks like a big trading range. Big down, big up. And this is a bull channel. The expectation is the channel evolves into a trading range. And at a minimum, we'll probably test the low of bar 20, the start of the third leg up. 23, strong bear breakout bar after 3 legs up, closing near its low, maybe closing just below the EMA. After 3 legs up, it's leg 1 for the bears. It's a lower high, reversing down from the top of the range. Probably sell to close and sell a pullback for at least 1 R. And the bears got that on 24. The problem with 24, now the bears have reached their measured move target. We're testing support, low of 15. And there's a tight trading range here. Let me see if I can draw it like this. Tight trading range, it's a magnet. We got the bull breakout, a couple of legs up, which traps the traders who were selling down here. So when we come back here, there's probably support. Tight trading ranges are a magnet, but as soon as we test a magnet, the magnetic pull can be turned off. So strong breakout and follow through, but now we're testing support. This entire rally, the 3 pushes up, is a breakout on a higher time frame. It may need another leg up. The bulls are hoping they're hoping it's a higher low major trend reversal, bear breakout, significant trend line break, and then a higher low test of the lows. Strong bull bar 25, but after the bear bars probably will not get immediate follow through. It's probably better to buy a pullback, but 25 is disappointing for any bears who sold 24. They are trapped. Weak sell signal is probably buy the close, buy below. So buyers below 27, second leg up likely, and the bulls are collecting several bars closing above the moving average. The channel up is tight, so really nothing to sell. You can call it a double top, 26 and 30, higher high double top, and you're looking for another leg down, but the selling pressure through here is weak, so really not ideal for selling. Small give up bar, 32, probably going at least a little bit higher. The bulls want to get to the high of 22, the high tick where they were trapped. And if 23, 24 fails to get a second leg in a big way, as it looks like they are here, a bigger give up bar, 34, then it's possible we go for a measured move up based on the height of the bear breakout and follow through. I start with measuring the bodies. It's more conservative. And if the market reaches that target, I'll extend it accordingly. This might be a measuring gap. So the bulls are now looking for a measured move up. And we still have that bull channel line, so a couple of magnets above, but a pretty decent bull breakout here. It's also very interesting. At this point, bar 1 is the high of the day, but bar 1 only remains the high or the low of the day in about 20% of cases, 20% of days. So in general, it's an unlikely occurrence. And on a trading range day, if it's going to happen, it's either going to be a trending trading range day or a trend day. This looks like we're getting the reversal up. We're probably going to get at least to the high of bar 1. So again, like I said, this might be a measuring gap. Very little selling pressure through here. So okay to be long and stay long. 34 is probably a buy the close bar, the first bear trend bar in many bars, probably a minor reversal. And then 36 getting above bar 1. Now this is a little climactic. 1, pause, 2, pause, 3. We'll probably get a minor reversal here. But minor reversal does not mean a complete major reversal, a trend reversal. It just means we'll probably correct for a couple of legs sideways to down, maybe test the low of the third leg. That might be the 34 or 35 lows. We'll just call it the high of yesterday. So not ideal for buying here. It might be at the top of a bull channel. And 3 pushes up, like I said, and a climactic bar. So big bar, big risk. Bulls probably prefer to buy a pullback. 37, possibly another buy the close bar. But 37 might need a small second leg, and bulls might wait to buy a little more of a pullback. But like I said, it's kind of like 34. It's a bear bar, but it's probably a minor reversal. Okay to buy the close and maybe look to get out at the high of the bar. So that's what's happening here. This is a channel on a smaller time frame. And now again, might be 2 or 3 or 4 legs up, maybe 1 or 1, 2, 3. Testing resistance. Last time we were here, we sold off, so possibly a double top. Profit taking area for the bulls. And 37 probably needs a second leg down. 42, bear breakout bar, but it's a second leg. 1, 2, so 42 again. Probably a better buy the close bar than sell the close. In context, this might be a bull trend. The bulls have controlled many bars above the moving average. We've got open gaps, higher highs, higher lows, and it's testing support below 36, the moving average. Bears, they need a duplicate bar. They need 43 to look like 42 and be somewhere down here and for a surprise, but it's probably not going to happen. So bulls will buy the close 42 and fade the bear breakout, basically front running the high 2, high 1, high 2. There's the high 2 signal bar, 43. Traders will buy above the bar. Bull breakout 44, traders will buy. Weak resumption attempt for the bears, 45, traders will buy. Again, a weak low 1, probably buyers below. And the context, it's always in long, better to be long. Bull breakout, traders will buy. Bull breakout, traders buy. Testing resistance, but minor reversal. You can call it 3 legs, 1, 2, 3, but it's a tight channel, and this breakout is probably going to get a second leg. 49 is probably a minor reversal, probably buyers below, even though it's at resistance. The context, not very good for the bears for a major reversal. Where are the consecutive big bear bars, and where is the significant trendline break? It really doesn't exist here. So weak sell setups, buyers on the close, buyers below. Bull breakout by the close, follow through. Weak reversal, 53, buyers below. Tight trading range, but it's a bull flag. It's a weak reversal. It's a minor reversal. Remember, for a major reversal, you need a significant break of the bull trend line. And usually you want to see consecutive big bear bars. They're strong. They're crossing the moving average. And that's not happening here. So if it's not a major reversal, it's a minor reversal. And again, this channel is tight. It's a breakout that's probably going to get a second leg. So the bull's really looking for a measured move up. You can see, remember this failed bear breakout? We tested it there on 36. We saw the reaction to it. And the using extremes from 24 to 22 takes you close to that leg 2 measured move. So magnets above, little selling pressure, always in long. Okay to hold long. Bull breakout 60, they'll buy. 61, buy. Follow through bar, bull breakout 62, it's okay to buy. 63, minor reversal, it's a weak reversal attempt. Buyers below, buy the close. Same with 64. Bull breakout, they'll buy. Okay to take profits at the high, but this is a bull flag. We may get a measured move up. Weak reversal 67, buyers below, went outside up. Weak reversal 69, you can call it a wedge, but if you're looking for wedge tops in a bull trend and you're looking to sell, you're going to lose money. Bull trends are constantly making wedge tops, but when the channel is tight, it's a minor wedge. So on the next time frame higher, this is simply a bull breakout. You wouldn't see the pullbacks. There might be pauses, but there are no pullbacks, and it's simply a bull breakout. The expectation is a minor reversal and a second leg. So 3 pushes up, yes. Expect a minor reversal and then trend resumption. So that's what we got here. Bull breakout 75, okay to buy, but probably sellers at the high. So we're in the channel phase. The channel will evolve into a trading range, so okay to sell at the highs and look to buy pullbacks instead. And then just trading range sideways into the close there. That's going to be it for today's trade review. That's going to be it for the end of day review. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope everybody has a great night.